we like that you are here today and join us with this educational meeting.
If you don't come to the meetings, you're never going to get the information to begin with. So that's why it's so important to come to these events.
The case discussions were really fruitful.
Well, today we get a couple of guys from the Netherlands, from Italy, from Switzerland, from the US, and everywhere there's some regional idea how to deal with the problem, and that's nice to get an exchange.
If we didn't have that exchange of ideas, I'm not sure we'd innovate the way we can.
When you want to do something that's thinking deeply or innovate, I think having people at the same table, looking at each other and really sharing ideas is the best way to go.
Our mission is creating better together. And it would be impossible for surgeons standing alone to create better, or for us to do so. But when we come together, it's really something special.